So what are our takeaways when we're trying to understand the development of pronoun interpretation? And I think the takeaway is this. To generate adult-like pronoun interpretation behavior and context to capture these empirical data about how children and adults interpret pronouns in particular contexts, children are going to need to change both how they represent relevant information from their input and how they deploy those representations. Both things change, right? Child representations are overly smooth. To become adult-like, many representations must sharpen perceived probability differences, right? That's a key difference in representations, right? But importantly, again, just to highlight this, being adult-like doesn't mean being accurate. Adults are sharpening what they perceive, not representing it truly and accurately, or so it seems, right? Also, adult deployment of information is selective. So to become adult-like, children have to learn how to selectively ignore information or selectively heed information, however you want to think about it, the way that adults do. So again, being adult-like doesn't mean being accurate in the sense of incorporating all of the information there. You are selective. You are inaccurate, right? Selectively inaccurate about how you use the information available to you. So I think the big picture, really, in this case, is for this case study to demonstrate how we can use computational cognitive modeling, right? When it's grounded in empirical data, when it's connected to things that we can observe about, in this case, how children and adults do certain things, right? That kind of computational cognitive modeling can help us better understand how both children and adults can solve complex linguistic tasks like interpreting pronouns in a context with multiple, potentially conflicting cues, right, which is a tricky task. And so this helps us better understand what children need to do to become adult-like. And it seems to be, in this case, about learning the right helpful biases, the right way to skew the input representations, the right way to deploy the information they have available. And so with that, thank you very much, especially to my collaborator, Hannah Forth.